If it was in Nigeria, you can hold camera like this. Somebody come and they probably just snatch it from you. Oh, this is not far from where we're staying. We're staying at the Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn,
Yeah, it's not far from here.
Sneak
Yeah. Because I saw all of this when we were coming from the airport at night. It was very dark. There's a telephone exchange building. What building is that one?
Those are just buildings.
Government building? I used to read about him. He was a funny guy. I live in America.
Oh, right.
Yeah, on WhatsApp.
This one is the Master of High Courts.
This is the High Court.
Master.
The Master of High Court. Oh, the highest one.
No, not the highest.
This
Some
is
people
what-
part.
Oh, deed and stuff like that. Okay, that's where you do it. You have so many high courts here. Labor courts, different courts. Who was Sam Nkrumah? Who was the president? Oh, from another country. Heading for the Avondale Market now. Government official. We're in traffic now. Oh, that's a rally houses and they won't fix the roads. That's not good. They should fix the road so that they'll look like the house.
The only road that they use is those 2 places.
Yeah, they don't fix. The same thing in Nigeria. They have mansions. Roads are bad. I don't know why they do that. Why don't you spend a little money fix the road?
So easy. It's an African thing. It's an African thing.
Exactly. It's an African thing. Mentality, not good. And then when it rains, it floods.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because no drainage.
Drainage system.
They didn't fix the drainage system. It's a shame that Africa is $1 million home. No drainage. So what's this area called? Avondale.
Belgravia, now this is Avondale.
Okay, that was Belgravia and this is Avondale. We just crossed over from Belgravia to Avondale.
It's like it's one in the same area, but it's only differently.
Very slight different.
Yeah, but they'll be little in one place.
Oh,
You can say
okay.
that road that we just passed,
Yeah.
the one that separates Avondale.
Okay, the one that separates is Belgravia. So you can, if you blink, you miss it.
This is Avondale Market.
Oh, that's the market coming up now. I'll start the video when I get to the market.